Hello and welcome to the German Lessons for Beginners. Throughout the German lesson series, we would be learning German through English. Also, wherever possible, I would be drawing comparisons between German, English, and Hindi. The standard practice in all the lessons would be words in German denoted in green with their English translations in maroon. Let's begin. Let's begin with our first lesson. Lektion 1. Die Pronomen. The Pronouns. Part 1.
Ich komme nach Hause.
Ich trinke gern Tee.
Do check out these
Ich
videos
bringe
on
deine
common
Brille.
German verbs. Link is given in the description box. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do. Consider the following English sentences. I live in India. I love to jog. You are nice. You sing well. In all these sentences, can you identify the pronouns? Yes, you're right. I in I love in India and I love to jog. You in you are nice and you sing well are the pronouns. Now let's learn the German equivalents of these. In German, I is called ich. One more time, ich. For now, please just concentrate on the usage of pronouns. We learn about sentence construction and the meaning of each word in the subsequent lessons. I live in India translates to Ich wohne in Indien. Ich wohne in Indien. The next sentence. I love to jog. Ich jogge gern. Ich jogge gern. In German, ich is called the first person singular. Let's move on to the second person, which is you. In German, for the second person, that is you, there are two forms, sie and du. We'll be talking about these two notations in detail in another video. But for now, the translation of you are nice goes like Du bist nett. Du bist nett. And the last translation, you sing well, is Du singst gut. Du singst gut. You would have noticed that the words which are underlined are the pronouns, that is, ich and du. Du, which means you, is called the second person. For more sentences with ich, don't forget to check the video on common verbs, link of which is in the description box. Now let's explore pronoun for the second person with some more examples. You are my friend. Du bist mein Freund. Do you like coffee? Magst du Kaffee? Are you learning English? Lernst du English? What have been your takeaways from this lesson? Part 1. German pronouns ich and du. Pronouns for the first and the second person. Sample sentences with these pronouns. We can summarize the pronouns in a table like this. In the second part of this lesson, we'll be learning nouns and their articles in German, pronouns for the third person. Thanks for watching. Ciao.